Go.
Hey everyone.
Everybody. Retired Life Ollie Style.
Here we are.
Yes. Just want to bring a quick, short message to you guys of why we're doing such a short message. We are here at Disney World, and we're going to do a quick message. Yeah, it's a helicopter going overhead. We're actually outside of our room right now. We're going to do a quick message about the Genie Plus and our experience with it. Okay?
Yes. So we tried to do 3 lives, but they failed for a few reasons. So we took them down. One of them was a copyright infringement from Disney because we did it during one of their fireworks. So you can go live, but you can't post it. So we took it down. And in that, we explained the Genie. So we're going to start from here so that you guys can get a good understanding from someone who's already tried it.
Right. You want to tell them about how we went from one hotel to where we are now?
So we booked 5 days at the Grand Floridian, and we just left there, and now we're here at Wilderness Lodge. We decided to extend our stay, as we always do, and we were lucky enough to get 2 more days, so that was exciting. Truth be told, we needed a day to rest because we hit those 5 days hard and heavy. Yep. What did you say? How many steps was it?
We did the weeks over 66,000 steps. It's like 28 miles
in a week.
In a week.
Yeah, I don't walk 28 miles in a year, so to do that in a week was a lot. Yeah, it was a lot. So anyway,
and I'm carrying a backpack, and you're getting on rides, you're getting off rides.
It's 88
uphill,
degrees.
It's downhill. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was a lot.
We got to work out.
Yeah. But anyway, the purpose of this is we want to give you our experience. They just rolled out the new Genie Plus, and what they call the fancy rides, pay as you go, if you want to go to the front of the line. So I'll start off with talking about the Genie, and then you can talk about the Genie Plus and the pay as you go.
Okay. Sounds good.
So the Genie, pretty much, it's simple, it's free, it's in your My Disney Experience app. For those of you that are familiar with the My Disney Experience app, you can see all of your reservations, dining, hotels, park reservations. Used to be what they call fast passes, but now they call lightning passes. So now if you open up your My Disney Experience app, it's going to have you activate the Genie. It's free, doesn't cost anything.
Genie costs nothing.
Right. And basically all that does is you check off things that you are interested in. What type of characters, what type of rides, where you're going for the day. And then the Genie will kind of see what you like and make an itinerary for you or suggestions of where you should go and at what time. So for instance, if you wanted in the Magic Kingdom and you wanted to go to Space Mountain, and you had click Space Mountain, it's going to tell you the optimal time for you to go get online. It's not a reservation, it's just the optimal time that you go back to go online.
Correct.
Yeah. And that's pretty much what the Genie is. But now there is another paid option of the Genie Plus, so I'll let Dawn, you talk about the Genie Plus.
So the Genie Plus, what you can do is you can pay, I think it's $17. $15 a day. And that's per person, per park. So remember that. So what you
I don't think it's per park. It's per person per day. So if you have park hopping tickets, you can go to other parks.
Well, when I say per day, I mean if you go to Epcot on Monday, you're going to then turn around and go to Magic Kingdom on another day. You're going to pay another $15.
Yes.
It does not carry over. So you may be able to park hop with it, but you can't carry it throughout the week. So it's
day, right?
Exactly per person per day. We'll put it that way, per park. So anyway, that one's sort of like the fast pass. It's the lightning lane. You get online and you go on through, and it can be a little bit of a wait, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, a half hour, depending on how popular the ride is. So that's one way you can do it. Then you can stand on the regular line if you want to and just wait online, or you can do a pay per ride. So we did that with Ratatouille over in Epcot. It was $8.
Yeah.
It was either $8 or $9.
$8 or $9
per person, and we just basically walked right through. And they give you you pick a time that you want to go. I got up at like 7:30 in the morning, picked it that time because it does sell out. Once it sells out, they don't have any more. So keep that in mind. If you're here at the parks and you want to go to some of the more exciting newer rides, you're going to want to get up early and go ahead and pay and book them.
Just like the old fast passes used to sell out too. Once they ran out, there was a certain allotment. Once they ran out, that was it for the day.
And we were able to do it right online. You hit the time
Through the Genie, right?
Through the Genie, and you can either pay through your credit card or through a gift card. And that's what we did, and we went to the park and we got right on. I highly recommend it. There were some people that did the Genie Plus, where they stood in queues and they went in that way, and sometimes that wait was up to like 30 or 40 minutes. Then there were people who stood on the regular line, and then there was us. So is there a fourth?
No, that's it.
It's just the three. So I like that, because a lot of times you come to Disney, and if it's a new ride, you can literally be online for 3 hours.
Right.
And that's not fun.
Yeah.
So this way, $8, we got on, we got off, we visited. I don't ever have to do that again.
Yeah.
I can wait online if I want to.
Yeah. I was against it at first, because like, okay, you're paying all this money for your tickets. We're annual pass holders.
Right.
You pay all this money for these tickets, and our renewals are going up. And then they want you to pay to go on the ride, but it's not really the case. They're not paying to go on a ride. You're paying for the privilege to go to the front of the line.
The front of the line.
So yeah, so you don't have to if you don't want to. If you want to wait in a long line,
Then wait
you
in
just
a
wait in a
long
long
line.
line. If you want to pay, like Dawn said, the $15 for the Genie Plus, and then you can get like what they call lightning lanes and go to the front. You can do that. Or if they're really popular rides, which they only have 2 at each park. I don't know if you said that.
I did not, but that's
there's
true.
only
Yeah, so
2
this is not for every ride.
It's called, the one, it's called the fancy, right? The fancy rides.
So at Epcot, I think it's Frozen and Ratatouille. It's
Magic Kingdom is Space Mountain and
I don't remember.
Space Mountain, and I don't know. I forgot what the other one was.
I
forgot.
don't remember.
But they listed, and in your Genie Plus, they'll tell you.
And it comes up.
It'll tell you. It'll list all the rides of what's what. So I kind of now. I'm a fan of it, actually.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. We did it once. You go on the rides that you want to go on. If you want to go to the front, you go to the front, save yourself a little time. And they're not crazy expensive. You know, $7, $8, $9. It's not so bad.
And I don't think I mentioned this. So you can do that without purchasing the Genie Plus. This is an individual purchase.
Good point, yeah.
So you do not have to spend the $15 plus pay per ride.
Right.
You can either pay per ride or do the Genie Plus or do both. If you want to do that. If you want to do like a fast pass thing where you're going to just do the lightning lanes and then there's a specialty ride that you want to get on, you can do that as well. But we have not purchased Genie Plus yet.
No.
We don't find it necessary because the rides that we want to go on, basically, I'll tell you something else. With this lightning lane, the lines have been shorter.
A little shorter because everybody's trying the new lightning
Everyone's
lane.
trying it. So a lot of times we only stood online for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you know, and it kept moving. So it felt like nothing.
Yesterday we were at Magic Kingdom. We stood on Buzz Lightyear, usually, which is a very long line at the Magic Kingdom. We were on it for maybe 15, 20 minutes.
That's it.
Tops.
And we got right on. I don't think we've been online for longer than 30 minutes. Because of this lightning lane. So keep that in mind too. Go there, check it out, and see what's going on, and then you can purchase it or not.
But actually, I think both you and I are fans of the new system, the
100%.
new Genie Plus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So another thing I want to make a suggestion of too, and I'm gonna do a video of our little tips, and one tip that we finally put front is the gift card. Go to your local store, your local big box store, Sam's Club, Costco, BJ's, and they have Disney gift cards that are already discounted. So if you get one that's, say, $500, you're going to pay, I think it's like $480 for it, okay? You're going to get that.
$470, $480.
Something like that. You get like 20% off, 10% off, okay? And then when you come here, if you're a pass holder or a DVC member, you get an additional 10 or 20% off. So you're saving using that gift card. And everywhere on property, the gift card is just like a regular swipe card. And everybody accepts it. And it also tells you how much is left right on the, I don't know what it's called, the card swiper.
The balance will tell you.
It tells you how much your balance is left on the card. Easy to keep track of. And that way you can set a good budget. So that's one tip for today that I think is really, really helpful, especially when you're doing food and wine.
I think we should wrap it up.
Okay,
he
wants
supposed
me
to be
to
quick.
shut up.
We're almost up to 10 minutes now.
Listen, I can talk Disney all day because there's so many things to do, so many things to enjoy.
Right.
Okay, I'm done.
I know it was kind of confusing. Just to wrap it up real quick, there you can do the Genie, which is no cost, completely free.
Correct.
You can do the Genie Plus, which is $15 per day per person.
Correct.
Or you can do the pay as you go ride, which those only account for 2 rides in each park.
Right. Or you can do nothing.
Or you can do nothing, just have your regular ticket
Or
and
you
go
can
in
do
and
nothing.
stand online. Yeah.
You can do this like you were doing 2 weeks ago and do nothing.
Yeah.
So it's always up to you.
Okay.
We want you to have a good time when you go. Any questions, please put it in the comments below. I'll try to get back to you with everything that I possibly can to answer your questions.
Definitely.
Thank you to our new subscribers. We did not forget you guys. Thank you for subscribing. We appreciate you. And we always appreciate you all the guys that are hanging out with us every single time.
Okay, we are now at 10 minutes and 45 seconds.
All right.
It's time to go, y'all. I know y'all ain't gonna sit and watch this whole thing, but we gotta go. We just want to make it a quick one. So, bye.
Peace out. Bye.